When you live in the same apartment for a couple of years, it's only normal for the house and everything in it to begin to deteriorate. Remember when you moved into your new apartment or when you had the lavish housewarming party for your newly completed building? I'm very sure it's not the same both structurally and the interior, but you may not notice because you've been in the same space for a long time. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you clear signs that tell you when it's time to remodel or do a simple makeover. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chika, your interior designer, your favorite interior designer. So let's talk about 7 clear signs that tell you when it's time to remodel or do a mini makeover. Number 1, you're no longer comfortable inviting friends over. So a friend calls you and say, hey, I'm in your hood, I'd like to stop by. And your mind goes, should I say I'm home or should I say I'm not? And they say, I'm not home and I'll be around for a while. Or even if you eventually let your friends come in, you be giving them flimsy excuses why things are broken. You'll be like, oh, that thing is torn, or that thing is broken, I need to fix it. Just flimsy excuses. If you find yourself in that kind of situation, you definitely need a makeover. Number 2, if it's too cluttered or too empty. So you tend to have more luggage the longer you stay in an apartment. Maybe when you moved in, you planned to have it as minimalist as possible, but then you kept buying, and you just kept buying. And right now, everywhere is so cluttered. I know a couple of guys who have been in the same apartment for like 2 years, and it still looks like they're just moving in. Like things have not been properly placed, and everywhere is still empty. And it's not like they are intentionally minimalist. But guys, why do you find it so hard to plan and decorate your homes? Drop a comment below if you're one of those who find it difficult planning your spaces. So if you find yourself in the too empty or too cluttered category, you certainly need a makeover. And number 3 on the list, you feel uninspired and bored at home. So you get home and you're just like back into this boring, annoying space. And that's not right, because your home is supposed to be cozy and a place you find a respite. I don't know if new things excite you as much as they excite me, but I make deliberate effort to buy something new, to just switch things up as often as possible so that the place can remain exciting. So if you're beginning to feel uninspired and bored at home, it's a clear sign that you need a makeover. So I'm going to drop a link either below or above where you can sign up for an online interior design consultation with us. I'll sit down with you or have an online session on how to beautify your space and make it more exciting. And the number 4 sign is faded paint or cracked walls. How do you justify not painting your house for 3 years? And don't tell me you have a good maintenance culture. I'll take it. At some point, you need to repaint, fill up the cracks, and just touch up your walls. So if you can see faded paints, cracks, and moist on your wall, it's a clear sign that you need to remodel. Because while the paint is fading, the interior and everything in it will be falling apart. Number 5, when your home feels outdated. Your old homes that were beautifully designed years ago and never updated would definitely need a facelift. It's like the whole world has advanced and your home is still chilling in the early 90s. The sofa, the dining set, and the general interior looking really archaic, my dear. You certainly need to give yourself a treat and a makeover like ASAP. Number 6, lifestyle changes. Remodeling for more or for less. So I visited home after a couple of years, and the moment I got in, I just knew that this place needs a makeover. So we used to be about 7 in the house, and then it became just 2 people. And because spaces are designed for people, it is only normal to design a space to suit the current home users. Same also applies when you have more people, like when you begin to have children, grandchildren, grandparents coming around, in-laws, and more friends coming around. It's just normal to redecorate and design the space to have more people in the house. Number 7, you're constantly looking at deco pictures online and new home listings. So it's either you really need a new apartment or you're just tired of your current home. If you really need a new space, then it's okay to move, especially if you have the money. But if you don't, why not just redecorate, redesign, and give your current space a facelift? I'm sure you'll definitely love it like new. So ladies and gentlemen, if you begin to feel like this about your home, I'm just a call away. We can have a free online interior consultation or an in-person visit to discuss how we can beautify your space. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give a big thumb up. double thumb up. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Click the red subscribe button just down somewhere down there. Until the next video, goodbye.